Okay, this was a really tricky one in the test. I think only about 2 people in the class got it correct because they didn't answer the question properly or took the decimal points away and then didn't add it correctly. So the question is asking us, what is 5.33 metres minus 2.9 metres? What does that equal? So a lot of people in the test decided to take the decimal point away and went 533 take away 29, forgetting to put in a placeholder for the 0 because there's 2 decimal places behind that. And when you're doing a subtraction question, you must have even columns. So of course, if you'd done 533 take away 29, you would have got an answer of 504, which most of you did. So you need to definitely put in the decimal placeholder if you're going to do a question that way. The best way to do this type of question, I feel, is probably a number line. So if we put in a number line and we have a look at it, so we have 2.9 and 5.33. What number is closest to 2.9 as a whole number? And that answer is 3. And what number is closest to 5.33 as a whole number? The answer is 5. Now let's do the little bits. How much is it from 2.9 to 3? The answer is 0.1. This is another place where you have to be very careful with decimal points. What's the difference between 3 and 5, which are whole numbers? Is 2. And the last piece, what's the difference between 5 and 0.33? The answer is 0.33. Now if you add those up, making sure that your columns are all correct, putting in a placeholder there, the answer should be 2.43 metres. And that is probably the best way to do it. Have a look at the next slide for another similar type question. So don't get put off by the decimal point, and have an estimate of what the answer should be. Looking at it, it's 23 point something metres, and the girls' record is 22.63 metres. We know that the answer is going to be less than a metre. If you get an answer that's more than that, then you need to check it. Have a go.